XRP, once a superstar in the crypto world, has been stuck in a frustrating cycle of stagnation. Investors are getting restless as price glitches offer momentary excitement, only to be followed by a return to the same sluggish price levels. Are these technical errors masking a bigger issue, or is XRP primed for a breakout that will reward those who have patiently waited? Today, we're going to break it all down: what's been happening with XRP, why investors are lamenting its stagnant performance, and whether there's hope for a long-awaited rally. If you're an XRP holder or thinking about becoming one, this is a must-watch. Hello, fellas watching from around the world, welcome back to another episode of the Zaki Crypto Update channel, your trusted source for all things crypto. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss a beat when it comes to the latest crypto updates. Today, we're diving into XRP, one of the most polarizing assets in the crypto space. Despite all the hype and attention, its price has remained stagnant for years, frustrating long-time holders and traders alike. But there might be some hope on the horizon. Stick with me to find out more. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. But before we dive in, here's the big question for today: is XRP going to finally break out of its multi-year slump, or are these price glitches we keep seeing just temporary illusions of growth? We'll dig into some technical analysis and even discuss wild price predictions that range anywhere from $5 to $27. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of where XRP might be headed, so be sure to stay tuned to the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. And hey, before we get into the deep stuff, if you're finding this video helpful so far, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps the channel grow and lets me know you're enjoying the content. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts on XRP. Are you holding strong, or are you starting to feel the frustration? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto insights and predictions. Now, let's get into it. For those who have been following XRP over the years, it's been a roller coaster of emotions. Once one of the most promising cryptocurrencies, XRP's price action has been nothing short of underwhelming recently. Despite its massive community and high-profile partnerships, XRP has struggled to break past the $1 mark consistently. Investors are beginning to ask, what's going on with XRP? One of the most frustrating aspects of XRP's recent performance is the price glitches that have periodically occurred across various platforms. These glitches often send the price of XRP skyrocketing for a short period, only for it to crash back down to its normal levels. While these moments provide a fleeting sense of hope, they don't reflect any real growth or fundamental improvement in the asset's value. Let's take a look at some of these glitches. Back in October, a glitch on Binance caused XRP to suddenly surge to absurd prices like $579, $5,791, and even as high as $5,805. Imagine the shock for investors watching their portfolios skyrocket, only to later discover that it was a technical error. Moments like these can confuse the market, making traders question what's real and what's simply a glitch. Similarly, in August 2023, XRP experienced another strange surge, this time on the Gemini exchange. Due to a lack of market depth, XRP briefly shot up to $50 after the exchange listed the token. And, in the same month, XRP's price surged to $22.54 on Coinbase, only to plummet back down shortly after. Crypto exchange MEXC also experienced a price anomaly when XRP hit $2 in July, which was again the result of a glitch rather than market demand. While these technical errors can be exciting at the moment, they don't reflect the real value or potential of XRP. Unfortunately, they've led to frustration among many community members, with some arguing that the focus should be on actual growth rather than these fleeting price spikes. And they're right, price glitches, while entertaining, are no substitute for real market demand and organic price movement. It's hard to talk about XRP without addressing the elephant in the room: its long-standing stagnation. To put things into perspective, XRP reached its all-time high of $3.31 back in January 2018 during the last major bull run. Since then, the asset has failed to even come close to those heights, consistently trading below $1 for the better part of the last 7 years. As of today, XRP is trading around $0.5275, a far cry from its former glory. The 1-month chart shows a steady downward trend, and despite occasional upward swings, XRP seems trapped in a bearish cycle. This long-term underperformance has left many investors frustrated, especially those who have held onto the asset for years, hoping for a turnaround that never materialized. One of the primary factors contributing to XRP stagnation is the regulatory pressure it has faced, particularly in the United States. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been a major thorn in XRP's side. The lawsuit, which began in December 2020, has created uncertainty in the market, causing investors to be cautious about putting their money into XRP. While Ripple has scored some partial victories in court, the lawsuit's overhanging presence has continued to weigh heavily on XRP's price. Until there's a clear resolution, the asset's potential for significant growth remains hindered. Despite all the challenges XRP has faced, some analysts remain optimistic that the cryptocurrency could eventually break out of its bearish trend. Technical analysis shows that XRP is currently forming a multi-year symmetrical triangle pattern, which is often a sign that a breakout could be imminent. If XRP can manage to close above 70 cents by the end of the month, it could be the catalyst that finally sparks a rally. But what would that rally look like? Analysts have offered a wide range of price targets, with some predicting that XRP could surge to $5, while others believe it could go as high as $27 in the event of a major breakout. Of course, these predictions should be taken with a grain of salt. After all, we've seen similar predictions in the past that have failed to materialize. That being said, several factors could work in XRP's favor. First, a favorable outcome in Ripple's legal battle with the SEC would likely give XRP a massive boost in investor confidence. Additionally, a rebound in the broader crypto market could provide the momentum XRP needs to break out of its current pattern. However, it's important to remember that technical patterns and price predictions are not guarantees. While a breakout is certainly possible, there's also a chance that XRP could continue to stagnate if the market conditions don't improve or if the regulatory environment remains hostile. So, what's the best course of action for XRP investors at this point? Should you hold, sell, or consider buying more at these low prices? The answer ultimately depends on your risk tolerance and long-term outlook. For those who believe that Ripple will eventually emerge victorious in its legal battle and that the broader market will recover, XRP's current price levels could represent a good buying opportunity. If you're willing to take the risk, you could potentially see significant returns if XRP breaks out of its bearish cycle. On the other hand, if you're more risk-averse, it might be wise to wait for a confirmed breakout before making any major moves. XRP has seen numerous false starts in the past, and there's no guarantee that this time will be different. Waiting for the asset to show clear signs of upward momentum could help mitigate some of the risks. One thing is clear, the coming months will be critical for XRP. If it can't break out of its current pattern soon, more investors may start looking elsewhere, and the asset could continue to lose market relevance. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into XRP. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you holding on to your XRP, or are you growing tired of waiting for the breakout? I'd love to hear what you think. Also, make sure to subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Thank you for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to check out my other videos for more in-depth crypto content.